Yo, what's going on guys? Kieran Yo here, back in with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm teaching you a blaise and becker meta trick. And don't worry, it's super easy for beginners. Here's how it looks from my perspective. A lot of you will probably recognize this from about a year ago. But other than that, yeah. Two things before we get into this video. I'm going to be using the Edge Beyond for this tutorial. And this video is sponsored by yoyo UK. So you can buy any of their amazing yo-yos and use code Kieran5 for 5% off. Okay, let's get into this tutorial now. You're going to want to start off in a double or nothing, right? And then you're going to put your whole throw hand through. Now you should notice this string at the bottom. You're going to try and grab that with your throw hand and then twist it around like so. From here, you're going to hop the yo onto that string and then drop that front string off of your non-throw hand. From here, you're going to drop everything, and that'll be the first part of the trick. So, as I said, double or nothing, pull through, hop, and then from here drop everything, right? So you're in this keychain, and then you're going to roll onto this front string like so. Then drop this string off these two fingers, and you should just be in what is a negative hook basically. From here you're just going to throw it this way and let go of this string, and you should be in a brother. From here I was saying, this is a super common meta element. You're going to pinch with your index finger and thumb on your throw hand and then drop the slack, and then as it comes over you're going to undercut like that. From here you're going to put your thumb onto this string at the top and then just do a little shoot out. You should notice this slack comes around and you should catch it with your pointer on your throw hand. From here all you have to do is pop up, right, let go of this slack, fling it round and catch it into the gap of the yo-yo. From here you just pop up and undercut that back string, and you should be in a green triangle like so. From here you can just bind however you want. I know this trick seems like a lot, but to be honest, a lot of the elements that look difficult really aren't. The most difficult part probably being that catch, but it's only difficult because it's hard to explain. It's not actually a difficult element to get down. So I'll go over it one more time, and then you can be on your merry way. Double or nothing, grab that front string, pull it through, twist, pop up, land into the tower, drop the tower, roll onto that front string, drop, brother, pinch, brother, like meta element, throw over, and then like whip, and then pop up into a green triangle and then bind. So yeah, that's the whole trick. If you have any questions or comments, you can just let me know in the comments or message me at Kieran on Instagram. Otherwise, yeah, peace. A lot of you probably